Welcome to exams.com. This is weekly current affairs. Please like, share, and subscribe. Who is India's second longest serving Prime Minister? Right answer Narendra Modi. Who won the title of Mrs. Earth International 2025? Right answer Vidhu Ishika. Which is the India's first district established on April 4, 1792? Right answer Salem, Tamil Nadu. Which country will be hosting the next three ICC World Test Championships final 27, 29 and 31? Right answer England. Which state becomes first state to introduce below 1200 voters at all polling stations? Right answer Bihar. India tests missile launched from drone named as what? Right answer ULPGM V3. Who wins Japan Open 2025 men's singles is? Right answer An Si Eng. Recently, which Indian site is declared Lungfun Rupui as a monument of national importance? Right answer Mizoram state. New brand ambassador appointed for India Golf Premier League is? Right answer Yuvraj Singh. China begins construction of world's biggest dam over which river? Right answer Brahmaputra river. Who has been conferred the National Geospatial Practitioner Award 2025? Right answer Incois. New Prime Minister of Ukraine is? New Prime Minister of Ukraine is? Right answer Yulia Endenko. United Nations Nelson Rowley Lahla Mandela Prize 2025 awarded to Brenda Reynolds. Income Tax Day in India or Aikar Divas is observed every year on which date? Right answer July 24th. National Flag Day is celebrated every year on which date? Right answer July 22nd. India buy Apache AH-64E combat helicopters from which country? Right answer United States. Who wins Japan Open 2025 men's singles is? Right answer Shi Yugi. Who creates history and becomes first Indian to reach 5 Women's World Cup final? Right answer Divya Deshmukh. International Chemistry Olympiad 2025 organized in which country? Right answer Dubai. President Murmu presents Kalinga Ratna Award to which Indian minister? Right answer Dharmendra Pradhan. National Thermal Energy Day National Thermal Engineer Day is on which date? Right answer July 24th. India's first aquatic park opened at which place? India's first aquatic park. Right answer Sonapur, Assam. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed every year on which date? Right answer July 26. Where is India's second longest cable stayed bridge inaugurated? Right answer Karnataka state. National Broadcasting Day in India is celebrated every year on which date? Right answer July 23rd. India's first inter-hospital liver swap surgery was performed in which city? Right answer Coimbatore. Sorry. Which country top rank in the list of Henley Passport Index 2025 rankings? Right answer Singapore. Which Indian state government launches India's first tribal genome project? Right answer, Gujarat state. India's first in 15 years, who wins bronze medal at World Junior Squash Championships 2025? Right answer, Anahat Singh. UK's University of Southampton inaugurated its campus in which Indian city? Right answer, Gurugram city. Which Indian state government to launch India's first mining tourism project? Right answer, Jharkhand. Indian Army conducts Prachand Shakti exercise held in which place? Right answer, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Who wins gold medal in long jump at 2025 Portugal sports meet? Almost 7.75 meter. Right answer, Murali Sirishankar. Who won the 15th Hockey India Sub Junior World Women National Championship 2025? Right answer, Jharkhand. Youth Spiritual Summit 2025 held in which place? Right answer, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Who becomes the first Indian to win Polygrace Magic Skill Award? Right answer, Deepika. Which Indian state getting India's first fully indigenous 50 kilowatt geothermal plant? Right answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been appointed as new CEO of Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages? Right answer, Hemant Rupani. The Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat Summit was held in? Right answer, Varanasi. Free electricity up to 125 units announced by which Indian state? Right answer, Bihar. Grandala is electric blue colored species of birds spotted in which place? Right answer, Sinj Valley, Himachal Pradesh. Which country has been officially declared as trachoma free by who? Right answer, Senegal. First campus of the Indian Institute of Creative Technology IICT opened in? Right answer, Mumbai city. 32nd edition of the Singapore India Maritime Bilateral Exercise called as SIMBEX. Who becomes first Indian to win Best Magic Creator Award 2025 is? Right answer, Suhani Shah. Which Indian wrestler secures gold medal at Budapest Wrestling Rankings Series? Right answer, Suchit Kalkal. India successfully fired two key strategic ballistic missiles in Odisha. Right answer, Prithvi 2 and Agni 1. After 23 years, FIDE Chess World Cup 2025 will be hosting by which country? Right answer, India. Which Indian states becomes first Indian state to grant agricultural status to livestock and poultry farming? Right answer, Maharashtra state. India's first green data center opened in which state? Right answer, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you and best wishes. Kindly subscribe to exams.com. Please share, like and subscribe.